Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the fast charging on the Samsung S25. Okay, we need to open up our settings. Once we are here, we need to scroll down until we find the battery settings. Now, again, scroll down and click on the charging settings. In here, as you can see, we have the fast charging feature. Currently, it's enabled. If you want to turn it off, click right in here, and now this option is disabled. Below you can also see the fast wireless charging. You can also turn it off right in here. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.